Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here an explanation about exercise 42. They just tell us that there are 24 trains between the start and the end station of a tube line. A train passes every 6 minutes. Exercise A, during the rush hour, there are trains every 3 minutes instead of 6 minutes. How many trains are there on the line at that time? So instead of 6 minutes, where there were 24 trains, right now they will pass each 3 minutes, so the double of it. So we need to have the double of trains. So exercise A is 24 times 2, so 48 trains. There you go. So that's A. B, there are 8 trains on the line in the evening, so less trains. How many minutes will the train pass? So if we know that at 24, the number of trains, so number of trains with 24, it was the time between the trains each time 6 minutes. Yeah. Now we have only 8 trains. So to go from 24 to 8, we just divide it by 3, right? But the time will be much more because we're gonna multiply by 3. So that's 18 minutes. Yeah, so we have less trains, 8 trains, so the time between the trains is 3 times more, so that's 18 minutes. Conclusion, 18 minutes. All right, exercise C, we need to complete the table. So in that case, here I'm gonna say C table. So there you go. So I'm gonna use another color. So we already had this empty gap because we already calculated with exercise B. So there you go. At 8 number of trains, the time between the 2 trains was 18 minutes. All right. To look at the next one. 18 to 36, we just multiplied by 2. So here we just divided by 2. So that's 4. Yeah, so if the time between the trains is the double of it, 36, then we have divided by 2 less trains needed. Now, the last one, they're multiplied with 3, which means they're divided by 3, so that's 12 minutes. Now, if you look at, we just missed one. Here from 6 to 3 divided by 2, so they're multiplied by 2, so that's 48, right? If we just have the product of the number of trains and the time, you get each time the number 144. So here it is 144, there is 144. Here is 144, there, and even the last one is 144, right? And exercise D, are these inversely proportional quantities? Yes or no? Yes, they are, because you already saw it, yes. And why? Because if you do the number of trains, if you multiply it each time with the time, you get a constant number 144 each time. Yeah, so that's the reason that the last line, the product line, is each time 144. And then the last one, exercise E, write down the word formula for the situation. So, I already have it, the word formula, because this is the word formula, number trains multiplying with the time between the two trains, and that's 144. Yeah. From that formula, you can also make the formula to get your number of trains. It is 144 dividing with the time between them. Yeah. Or you can even say to calculate the time between the two trains, it's 144 dividing with the number of trains. Alright, so from one formula you could have two other ones. Yeah, so that was exercise 42, and good luck with the rest of the exercises.